Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and my name is Karan and you are seeing Serious Production. So today I am going to show how you can book a free trial class in White Hat Junior. Okay, so click the link given in the description below. So after clicking link in the description, you will be directed into this page. So where you have to enter your parents' email ID, parents' name, and parents' mobile number, kid's name, and which grade you are, and you have to answer this: do you have laptop or PC at home for the class? Okay, so yes or no if you have, yes if you don't have, no. So you can see here, schedule a class, free trial class. Okay, if you schedule, the date and the time will come. You can select according to you date and time. So book free classes. Okay, so after this they will send you a mail in that day, and which time your class will be started. They will send you a mail. I will show you. They have sent me like this. So you can see here the first mail will be coming like this: your teacher will be waiting for you, please do this. Okay, so click in this. So you can see here your class link. So if you have laptop or PC, click on this link to join, this button to join. If you have mobile or some other tablets, so you click your class link. Okay, so you will be joined to the class. So I will click simply. So now I'll not be joined because my class has been over. And after what is the 3 package will come, they'll say you to buy this 3 package. The first package is for 5,999 for only 8 classes. You can see here 8 classes, and it's for 5,999. Second is for 48 classes, 33,999. So you can book here. Okay, so last and the third is 144 classes, that is for 99,999. It is for 144 classes, so you can choose any of this course. So that's all for this video, guys. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to book a free trial class, I'll give you the link in descriptions.